Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you connect Soundbar to Roku TV. In order to connect Soundbar to Roku TV, you have to follow this steps. So there's a couple of different things you could do it. If you are using Soundbar with Roku TV using HDMI ARC cable, then here's the step. First thing, plug one end of the HDMI ARC cable into the HDMI OUT ARC port on the soundbar and the other end of the HDMI ARC port on your Roku TV. After which, what next you need to do is on your Roku TV, you simply navigate to settings, then go to audio. Then you simply want to go ahead and set S/PDIF and ARC to audio detect. Then you want to press the HDMI ARC button on the soundbar remote. Once you've actually done it, so you'll have successfully made it so far. And if you are using an optical cable, plug one end of the optical cable into the optical out port on the Roku TV and the other end into the optical port of the Philips soundbar or any soundbar. Then you want to go to the TV settings or Roku TV settings, and once you go to the settings, you want to simply select or choose audio, then set S/PDIF and ARC to auto detect. On the soundbar TV remote, press the optical button, and with that being said, you've successfully made it so. So this is how you could go ahead and connect soundbar to Roku TVs. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.